Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm excited, like you already see it here in the background, you can see it in the title, thumbnail. I'm doing a video haul on the items that I purchased from the Beyoncé Ivy Park Adidas collaboration. If you watched the video I uploaded on Friday, then you know I was on struggle bus, okay, trying to get these items, but I'll give Adidas some, brownie points because I ordered it Friday, specifically at 4 in the afternoon, and it arrived yesterday, Monday, around 10 a.m. Got this, okay, this package here in the mail. So I, took the clothing items out. I've got the shoes in here. So if you guys want to see what I picked up and see how they look on and my thoughts and how I envisioned dressing these items, then just keep watching. I don't film my try-on haul videos with my normal camera, so I'm not used to having a viewfinder, so that's why I keep staring at it. But the first thing I got are sneakers. These are these sleek Super 72s, I think is what it's called. They're in a 7.5, and I knew the second I saw the promo for the whole collaboration that if I didn't get anything else, I was going to get these sneakers. If I could open it, give me a second here. This is what they look like. If you're not new to Adidas, they're really not anything that you haven't seen. It's just in the color of the collaboration, maroon and orange. 7.5, it's great. Like, I'm a true 7.5. Usually if I have to do the whole, do I go up or go down because they don't have a 7.5, then I usually have to go up to an 8. But I also don't do the whole, long, thick sock unless it's on a plane. So I tried them on with, little baby ankle socks, and it fits perfectly fine. Like, I feel like this is a real true to size. You don't have to worry about that whole, oh, well, do I have to let the shoes stretch out, or do I have to go to a whole different size? Like, I feel like it fits true to size. And the first clothing item that I got are the cargo pants. They've got little pockets all over the place, and then of course they've got the neon orange detailing. This is in a size small. Now when I saw it, actually I'm gonna keep it buck with y'all, when I saw the whole collection, I knew I didn't want to wear most of the collection together with other pieces in the collection because it's just a little too matchy for me. So when I saw it, I was thinking orange bodysuit, maybe heels. I don't have the actual bodysuit to show you in this video because I really wasn't expecting it to ship that quickly, but if I can find a picture of what I was envisioning in my mind there, I'll have it pop up on the screen. So I got these in a size small, and I have to say, if there was anything about this haul that I had any second thoughts about, not regrets, but just like, oh, I could have done this differently, I probably could have got these in extra small. I am 5'4", about 110, somewhere between 110 and 115 pounds on a good day. So if you like that snug look to your clothing, tight look, then this is one of the items that you probably could have gone down a size, and it would give you a snugger look. This fits fine. It's still a little baggy, and I'm not that mad about that because I still like that look. But I mean, you don't know what I mean. If you like that whole bodycon aesthetic to all of your clothing, then you should probably go a size down with this one. Funny enough, with everything I just said, next two items I low-key bought to wear together, but they're also two items that I kind of bought to actually be, athletic workout wear. This is the oversized t-shirt in an extra small. I knew with this one to get the extra small. With the size that I got, it still gives the oversized look, but not to the point where it's swallowing me. Even though I did say, and I probably will wear it that way, where I just wear this to work out, it does have that short in the front, longer in the back type of look to it. So there's still a little style thrown in there. So you can throw on some jeans, some leggings, some heels, call it a night out to get drinks, stuff like that. Wouldn't do brunch with it, but you can still fancy her up a little bit if you didn't want to make it an actual athletic look. I got the tee to go with the biker shorts. These are in a size small. Now with this one, you can get your size with this one. If anything, if you are in that period or wearing it for, workout purposes where, sometimes people will buy things with a little extra space just because they know they might be trying to gain weight, or they might buy things a little tighter so that they can work out to the point where they do fit into that, then you might want to be a little careful. She fits, okay? She is snug there. Yeah, usually biker shorts are when you buy them. So I feel like I low-key probably could have got a medium and it would have fit, just, you know, it would have just sat on to where getting my actual size is small, like it sucks into you there, right? So it's like if I gain a couple pounds, I may not be able to wear it type fit. But that, you know, that's the type of fit I was going for there, so I'm not mad. If that actually does happen to the point where I gain weight where I can't fit into it, then it's going to be a problem, because how much was this? Oh, the one thing I took the tag off for? Oh, here it is. Yeah, it is $40. Okay, so we're gonna need your last. But like I said, I did pick this up to actually work out in. But you guys have seen it by now. You can certainly dress up biker shorts, all right? Throw on, y'all have seen the different outfits. But I bought it to work out, so that's what I'll be doing in this. And the last thing I got is the bodysuit. I feel like if I couldn't get all of the items that I wanted, I at least wanted to make sure I got the sneakers and the bodysuit. Bodysuit has, you know, the same orange on there. It's got Ivy Park on the sleeves. I got this in a size small, yes, and I was low-key worried because I first put in an extra small and then I had that battle in my head of should I get an extra small or a small, and I was worried it was going to sell out. But I'm glad I didn't get the extra small. I had to, you know, think about it because, you know, even though I'm only 5'4", your girl's a little heavy there on the chest, so I was like, you know, you get an extra small, what happens if it doesn't fit right? And then, you know, it's a bodysuit, so oh wait, how am I holding this? So the crotch is gonna be all up, y'all know what I mean. This is gonna be all up in your crotch there. So it was like, you know, if you get an extra small, all up in there, go ahead and get the small. I'm glad I did. This, I low-key envisioned this with either, I know we not really feeling it, but I kind of am feeling low-rise jeans making a return for me. So I was thinking, you know, low-rise jeans, just so you can have that look of, you know, low-rise jeans with your little thong or whatever sides sticking out on top. You guys know, I'll insert a picture. So I was thinking either that or like black black joggers. How do you describe joggers as in joggers? Again, I don't have them, but if I find a picture, I'll let you guys know. I was thinking that with that same, you know, low-rise aesthetic there, but that's what I was thinking with this bodysuit. I wasn't gonna work out in this. Let me know if you would in the comments down below, but that's how I envision wearing this. But I'm glad I got it in the small because I feel like it fits how I want it to in that size. Those were all the things that I picked up. I know it's going to be a very short video. I'm thinking, you know, do I have any regrets for anything that I didn't pick up? I low-key wasn't feeling the white or creamish items as much, except for those slit hem pants, but I feel like I kind of wish I had picked up the white harness bag. Was it a harness bag? Fanny pack? That one, that's probably like the only regret that I might have of not getting. But other than that, I like everything that I got. I feel like the cargo pants were the only things where I was like, all right, you know, the sizing on this makes me a little, but altogether, I'm good with everything that I picked up. I hope seeing me try it on and, you know, hearing about the sizing has helped, because I think there's going to be a restock. I heard there was going to be a restock today, so I'm going to try to get this video up as fast as I can for you guys. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Let me know if you picked anything up in the comments down below. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, and subscribe down below. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye!